All right, I'm gonna do a video on this. It didn't seem like there was a whole lot of videos online for replacing the ignition switch, the push to start button on 18 Explorers. So pretty much what you got to do the easiest way, don't worry about down there, just get everything taken out up here, and then you'll have easy access through this hole. And inside that cone there's two pressures. This one's easy to get on this side, but you're gonna have to use like a trim tool such as this to sort of get in there and push on that. It's pretty simple. Once you get that, you push it out and it just pops out for you, and you just put the other one back in after you replace it. I'll do that right now. All right, now that we got the button plugged back in, the new one, this is the old one. Doesn't look like it, but it's all scraped up. The backlight bleeds through. You can see it really close if I see it in there. And then just put it back in. That's it.